Hi, welcome inside. Prepare to be amazed because I've got 5 reasons why this ground floor is the bomb. First, the open layout design. Sobrang suabe. The living, dining, and kitchen areas are seamlessly connected, making the space feel bigger and more vibrant. Para never-ending party vibes. Second, the kitchen area. Look at this countertop. It's not just aesthetic. It's functional and oozes elegance. Here, you have your built-in cooktop with rinshod, modern fixtures, plenty of cabinets, side-by-side LG refrigerator, a microwave oven, and an oven. Third, the convenience. May access ang main kitchen to the daily kitchen, making it super easy for the helpers to move around. No hassle. Fourth, this ground floor bedroom. You can convert it into an office space or family room. Ang versatile, plus it has its own toilet and bath, making it guest-friendly and elderly-friendly too. And speaking of elderly-friendly,